Good morning. Welcome back to the session. We are going to discuss a new problem based on matrices. The statement is find all the possible 2 by 2 matrices in which each element of 2 by 2 matrix should be divisible by sum of its digits. This is one such 2 by 2 matrix formed from this 4 by 3 matrix. Okay, see here, 42 is divisible by 4 plus 2. Similarly, 54 is divisible by 5 plus 4. Similarly, 30 by 3 plus 0, 24 by 2 plus 4. How many matrices we get? This is one such matrix, 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 this is one such matrix. Like that we get many combinations. A typical matrix is RC plus 1, say R plus 1 C and R plus 1 C plus 1. Okay, so maximum row should be less than or equal to m minus 2. Similarly, maximum column should be less than or equal to n minus 2, where rows are numbered from 0 to m minus 1, columns are numbered from 0 to n minus 1. Rows are and columns are. Okay, so if it is more than m minus 2, then you know what happens. Okay, suppose if it is m minus 1 plus 1 will be m, and there is no mth row. Hope you understand it, and let us continue doing it in Python. Start a new file. Define a matrix, a 2D list, or let us read it from outside. M is number of rows, which is integer. Okay, now read rows one by one. For I in range, number of rows. Okay, now read first row, which is digits or numbers separated by blank space. Okay, now these are split as strings. You convert them into integers. Make them a list. And then add the list, and then append the list to matrix. That matrix is an empty list first. Now you append this, or you call this as row. And append this row to matrix, and you will be appending 4 such rows. This for loop. Okay, so matrix dot append row. Okay, now for row number varies from 0 to r minus 2, 0 to m minus 2. For column number varies from 0 to n minus 2. Okay, but here n is not defined. Let n is number of columns of any row. So let us take 0th row. Okay, now so take a typical matrix as shown here. RC plus 1, R plus 1 C, and R plus 1 C plus 1. Let us start with the first element RC. Okay, if the element R and C, if it is divisible by sum of its own digits, okay, then it is one of the candidates of the 2 by 2 matrix. Okay. So how many are there? There are 4 such elements. Let us check all such 4 elements. So what is second one? Is divisible. Divisible. What is the second element of the same row? Matrix R plus 1 C. Okay. Next. The next element is divisible. Next element is matrix. Now go to next row. R plus 1, R plus 1 and C. What is next element? This C should be capital C, or else we will face problems later. So what is next element? Is divisible. Divisible. What is that element? Last element. In R plus 1 row. In R plus 1 row and C plus 1 column. C plus 1 column. Okay. If all the 4 conditions are true, if all the 4 conditions are true, then this matrix is a matrix we are looking for. Okay. Then print that matrix. Then print that matrix row wise. Okay. What is first matrix? The first matrix print, first row, I'm sorry. First row is matrix R C, sorry, R C, capital C. Next element in the same row is matrix R. We are moving to next column, C plus 1, okay? And print next row. And next row as well. So in the next row is R plus 1 and columns are C and C plus 1. Okay. So we print it only when the above condition is true. So for that you need to write a function now. The function is define is divisible. Say input element is say X. So convert X into string first, and then map these strings as integer, and then convert the result into, store the result in a list, and let us call this as, let us name this list as loosely held digits. Okay. Now if the number is divisible by sum of its digits, then return true, else return false. Okay. So the program is done. Let us check whether our effort yields fruits or not. Should yield. So save it here and run it. Everything seems to be okay. There are 4 rows. First row is 42, 54 and 2. Second row is 30, 24 and 27. Next row is 180, 190 and 40, followed by 11, 121 and 13. Okay. Outputs are, but no output is printed. No output is printed. So what happened? Is divisible. Okay. Something wrong here. Let us print the digits. Let us call this function. Let us call this function is divisible. Let us pass 24. So this is working well. No issues so far. If x equal to 0, Now there are 4 rows. Let us terminate this and do it again. 4 rows and 42, 54, 2, say 30, 24, 27, 180, 190, 40, 11, 121, 121 and 13. Okay. So running okay, but only problem is this dump statement should be removed. Okay, and this call should be removed. Not is running well. Sorry, I'm entering again the inputs 42, 54 and 2, say 30, 24, 27, 180, 190, 40, 11, 121 and 13. Okay. So how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. We got 4 2x2 matrices which satisfy the condition. So hope you understand it. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing for updates. Thank you.